What exactly do you do on a daily basis as an online business owner? And today I'm going to share about how my day looks like as an online business owner. I have been doing this business from 2.5 years. In this 2.5 year span, there were different stages of my business. Digital marketing was completely a new thing for me. So I focused more on the learning the new skills, how to implement certain things and how to run the business from home. And I focused myself more on the training part. I did my training, certifications, courses. I gave my time on learning new skills. And now when I am doing the business from past 2.5 years, I am a mentor. I have a team with me and I have to guide them also. This is the different stage of my business and I will share how my day looks like right now. So my day starts around 8:30, and then once I wake up, I start doing savers and do the magic book practice and give 30 to 40 minutes to doing some exercises to keep me active, like Zumba or meditation or some home exercises. And then I do my breakfast and I start my work on the business around 11 a.m. and till 3 p.m. I work on my business. The things which I do in this time span is basically I do some trainings, and then I'm a mentor in the business, and so I help my team. Whenever my team feels stuck, then they can connect with me over Zoom and we together troubleshoot the issue. And I also host my weekly team meetings on Mondays, so that 1 hour goes over there. And then 1 hour I give to content creation, listing down the ideas what I have to create content on. And then around 2:30 or 3 I have my lunch. I then take a quick power nap of 30 minutes, and then I work on my household stuff. And when my husband comes from his work, then we spend some time together, catch up on the things which happened during the day, and then we together start preparing for the dinner. And if it's a Wednesday, then I have a mastermind session on Wednesdays at around 8 p.m. so I attend those, and then my husband helped me with the dinner and rest of the things. And if it's a Thursday, then we together go to the Sai temple and volunteer there. And after our dinner, we watch some series together, either Netflix or Amazon Prime or something or the other. We spend some time together watching those TV shows or series. And before going to the bed, I write my to-do list for the next day, and so that it keeps my day planned. And I also like to listen music in the night, so I listen some calm soothing music which helps me to keep my mind relaxed. And then I sleep and again wake up in the next morning. And yeah, that's how my day looks like as an online business owner. And this is my daily routine at the current stage of my life. The freedom, the flexibility, the peace this business gives me, I don't think that I will trade this life with any job. This is something that I have built in the 2.5 years and grown it to a level that I know that I am going to do this for the rest of my life. If you are someone who is looking for something which can give you the same kind of flexibility, freedom, time and income, then definitely check this out, and it can also work for you as well. I wish you all the best, and I will see you in the next video.